Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And today I am in Karnataka, Udupi. They are saying that Udupi also. Okay, so now I came out from my room, and we are now going to the mandir, Krishna Mandir, which is very famous here. So I'll show you all the route and all thing, and I'll give you the information and rules whatever here is there rules. Okay, so let's see this temple. So now I just came out from my house. I mean from my room, and here I was staying. That is the house. That is the room of a temple. It charges 450, and now I am going out. Going in the temple. So you can see the first rule means I can't say the rule, but you can go without wearing your shoes, sandals, and all else, because here it's so clean, and all are going like this only in the temple. And now I will say you the rules. So first rule is for the gents. The rule is that they have to wear the lungi. Okay, they have to wear the lungi. As you can see, they have to wear lungi, and they can wear upper side their t-shirt or shirt. They have to not remove that. That is not compulsory. They can wear that. And one rule is for the women. That is, they have to wear the full pant. And it would be better that if you will wear the full shirt also. Okay, so these are all rules. So now we are going in that temple. This is the route. Okay, here many people are coming in one day. 1,000 million people are coming. You can see over here many cars are there, bike, bus, and here shops are also there of toys, of purses, purse and cloth. Okay, so now let's see. Earrings are also there here.
Find the real me. So let's go.
So friends, here line is there. Not very big, but line is there. We have to pay anything. Okay. So now I'm going temple. So now you can see line is there, and so many people are there. There we have to go. In the temple, mask is compulsory. All are wearing mask, so I have to wear the mask. This is the route you can see, and very huge temple is there. Very huge. Okay, it's taking too much time to go in, and now you can see lake is there, and it's natural. The water is also very clear. You can see the stones which are there in the water. That we can see clearly from here also, from very distance, very big, very much distance.
Find the real me. So let's go. Seize the feeling.
So friends, there was written that no phone allowed it very strictly, so I can't take video nor a photo also. Then also I'll say you that how it was. One statue was there of Krishna Bhagwan, and that was full covered with the diamond. Okay, and and very big temple is there from inside. Okay. Here friends, one counter is there, and here we are getting all the prasad, but we have to pay here. So like this, we are getting a laddu.
काय तूप
I
आवडतं
have taken laddu prasad.
टाकते का?
Like this,
टाकायचं
the
कशाला?
laddu. So friends, this laddu is there, and this is made up of gur. Okay, you can see over here. This laddu is there. Wow, this laddu is very tasty. It contains kaju also, and it's very tasty. So friends, these statues are of Navgraha. Graha means the planet, and this statue is of god of that planet. So now you can see there, big shankha is there. Like this only it is made, but a very big shankha is there, you can see, and it's looking very beautiful. So now, as I said, that I am going to give information of that shankha. I have given already, but now I will give more information about it. Okay, so as I said, there is a statue of Krishna, and it is fully covered with the diamonds. Okay, and a full cover is there. For that we can go near that statue. It is fully covered in one room. Room like is there only. There it has kept that statue. So now I have decided to do some shopping. First of all, I will wear my shoes because all the darshan has been done. Now I can wear the shoes. Okay, so I am now going in my stay room and I will wear my shoes. So friends, here pan po is there. So this is specially for drinking water. You can see glass is there here, and here tap is there. We have to open it and we have to drink the water. This is called pan po. Friends, as I said, I am going to go in the shopping. So here you can see this is the kitchen. Here mask is also there. Kitchen of Barbie, of Mickey Mouse, of sunflower, of Ganpati, and masks are there. Very much masks. All marks are there. You can see all marks are there, and all purses are there, and beautiful hats are there. Very beautiful hats are there, you can see, and purses are also there. You can see over here, and their ball is there, rainbow ball. You can see the purses are very beautiful. So here I am in the different shop. You can see this murti of Lord Krishna. It's very beautiful, and this murti is of Devi Lakshmi. It's looking very natural. Okay, and here Parna is there. If you know, this Parna is used in Krishna Janma, or else you can keep like this also. Especially the small murti of Krishna has been kept over here, and this has kept like this only in home. And here you can see like this. The middle one is moving and the noise is coming, and it's very nice. And here fish is there. Fish. You can see. You can see the fish. Okay. And here the firki is there, if you know this. And here spoons of a wood. And here the balloons are there, blow balloons. And you can see we are keeping this at home as a showpiece. And here kitchen is there of Hanuman Gadha. Gadha, you know. Different colors are there. And small shankh is there. And you can see for small children this toy is there. Yeah, you can see it. Voice is coming. And spoons are there of wooden. Really, it's very beautiful. And again the kitchen, it's wooden. And here the toy is there. You can see here all that thing is there. Here toys for children's. Murti of ling. Again this thing is there, Damru. You have seen that. Here the diya is there, diya. The plates. And here all murti are there, all statue over here, and it's very beautiful. You can see, very beautiful, very good looking. It's looking very good. Here especially statues are there. Here you can see the hanging is there, different types of hanging. I think this is not hanging, this is hanging. Very beautiful. You can see, very beautiful. Here toran is there of rice. And here the toys are there. You can see the wings are moving. And here is the pinda. Here the statue of Krishna. It's very good. It's decorated. So friends, here the ghanta is there. 2 ghantas are there. First time I have seen. You can see the voice is coming very nice. 1 ghanta is also there. Now we'll go and next shop. Here also all same things are there. Some different. Here all toys are there. You can see here cycle and the jeep. And here khal is there, if you know. This khal is specially used to make the medicines in Ayurvedic. Here again the balloons are there. Diya, please side on. So here this photo frame is there, and you can see this murti is, I am saying, in, and it's fully covered with the diamonds. You can see in the photo. Okay, like this it's looking. I can't shoot it, but I can show you here. You can see it's looking very beautiful, and it's fully covered with the diamond. Here keychains are there. You can see. This is not. Yeah, this is also keychain. Masks. Now mask is very needed thing. Here necklace is there, simple necklace. And here ghungru is there. Keychain only. This is its voice is very nice. You can see here hanging is there.
उसका छोटा साइज है तो दिखा क्या बढ़िया वो ना प्लेन में प्लेन ये कितना वाला है
Damru is there. You can see very beautiful things are there, and specially made with the wooden. So really the shops and all the things which is there in that, it's very nice, very beautiful, and traditional things are also there. All are made with the woodens, all which is made with the woodens, and it's all very nice. I mean, I like that. All things I like that, especially it is made with the woodens. That's why I like that very much. Whenever you come here, you should see the shops, and if you want to buy, you can buy it. It's very nice quality, but rate is something high. If you can do some bargaining, you can get it in your price. Okay, so now we'll go to the more shops, but I think these all are things only there in all the shops. But if different thing, if I see, I will show you. So let's come. So you can see here, papad is there. Papad is there. Masks are there. And chakli. And chocolates are there. Masks are there. And eating also there. Eating things also there. So friends, all shops are over, and now I am going to eat something. I am doing lunch, and there we have to go without shoes. Here a shoe stand is there. There I am keeping the shoes. This cost 2 rupees for one shoes bundle. So now I am going in the hall where lunch is there. I'll also show you what preparation are there in the lunch, and special thing or my luck is there, because today only after 6 months that is started. Because of coronavirus, it was closed. So this slope is there, slope like, and it's long. Slope like is there. You can see how from up it's looking. that is the gate from where I came in. There are the taps for washing hands. You can see there, and we are going. You can see many people are there for the lunch because it's free, full free lunch. The voice is very much of the people over here. So for the lunch down, I am seated and many people are coming also. So much noise is there because many people are there. So here the lunch is available till 2 p.m. only. If you are coming here and eating the lunch, means you have decided to have a lunch over here, full free lunch is there. We can say the Mahaprasad. It's all free. All the bhakts are getting here full free lunch, but it's before 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. You will not get the lunch after 2 p.m. Okay? So here you can see many people are come. It's fully packed. I am very happy and I can say I don't have what to say because very lucky because I came here with my family and this is the first day of this lunch, means after 6 months because of Corona. This was not started and after 6 months today it is started and I am so happy and so lucky. So here some special people have came. You can see over here some special people are there. This one. Some special people are there. This is some special important person over here. So now one trolley is there in which they have kept the all plates and now we have to take it plates. You can see in very huge number of people are there. That's why this arrangement is there of taking the plates on our own. So in the lunch you can see we have rice and sambar. It tastes like sambar and it's very nice. And in vegetable we have the chili vegetable, but it's not spicy at all. So friends, my lunch is over and the dal was very nice and in the sweet I had a kheer. It was nice. It was a Mahaprasad. That's why it was not compulsory, but while eating fast, that's why I also eat very fast. And it is done in 5-10 minutes. Okay, and the lunch was very good. So after eating lunch, I have taken mango burfi and I am going to eat it. So let's test it how it is. Wow, it's too yummy. Mango flavor and it's hard also because they have to keep it in the box. That's why they have made this harder. So friends, after doing lunch, I came here in the shop, and I had a ice cream because it's too hot summer. And this is the main gate of the building. You can see. You can see. So friends, here my vlog is finished, and this ride was very nice. I see the temple, the Vishnu Bhagwan's statue, and the room also was nice. The arrangement of the room was nice. The lunch was also nice,
Find the real,
and all
Find
the
the real
trip was
me.
nice. And after
So
some
let's
time,
go.
I'll leave the
this is a
Udupi.
feeling.
I will go
'Cause you know,
in some other place. Where I
It's
will
time
go,
for
that's
me.
a surprise.
Now
I'll
we
go
show.
there, and if I find some different, some
coming
interesting,
winning.
I surely make the video of it.